Political parties work as a link between government and people. Political parties communicate the demands and complaint of the people to the government. The government tries to get support of the people for its policies and programs through political parties. Understood? So political parties, they act as a link between government and the people. So they act as a link between government and people. Political parties communicate the demands and complaint of the people to the government. तो जो भी demands है, जो भी people के जो भी problems है, so they put forth before the government. So they act link between common people and government. Understood? So the government tries to get support of the people for its policies and programs through political party. अभी गवर्नमेंट का ये काम है कि वो कॉमन पीपल, कॉमन सिटीजन के साथ में कैसे अपना इस्टेब्लिश कर सकती सपोर्ट, कैसे उनको सपोर्ट कर सकती थ्रू दिस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी दे एक्ट दैट बिटवीन पीपल एंड गवर्नमेंट इन टर्न दे ट्राई टू सपोर्ट दोज पीपल, कॉमन पीपल विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. समझ में आए? तो जो भी गवर्नमेंट को काम करना, जो भी पॉलिसीज फॉर्म करने, दे आर सपोज टू डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. सो political parties, they act a link between government and common people. Understood? Now this blue box, it is given some questions. What do you understand by following views, news in newspaper? Like इसमें ये questions है, you are supposed to think by yourself. Opposition party held a meeting in Mumbai to resist ruling party. Will take up issues of farmers. Understood? If the opposition party feels that the present government is not doing any, present political party which is there in power is not looking up the issues of particular, like here it is written issues of farmer. So opposition party, they wanted to raise a voice, they wanted to show the acting government or the present government, present political party, that these issues are very important, you are supposed to look after in it. Understood? तो वो उनको कैसे बताएगी? क्योंकि वो तो पावर, अपोजिशन पार्टी तो पावर में नहीं है. तो जो पावर में है, जो पॉलिटिकल पावर में है, जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पावर में है, उनको अपना बताने का तरीका वो कैसे लेंगी? दे वांटेड टू डू मीटिंग. अंडरस्टूड? सो से वो मीटिंग लेती है और उसमें अपने जो एजेंडा है, जो उनका जो इश्यूज़ है, जो प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट, जो प्रेजेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं उसके बारे में सोच रही, तो उनको बताने की कोशिश करेगी. तो ये भी एक ऐसा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट वी आर हैविंग राइट टू एक्सप्रेस आवर व्यू, सो दैट राइट इज गिवन. रूलिंग पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज संवाद यात्रा इन रूरल एरिया. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स वी कैन सी इन आवर कंट्री, in every state these type of things are there. Political party, they wanted to show something, and present political party which is there in government, they wanted to do something, they wanted to show how they are working. So these type of things which is very common. Understood? So think and write. Another thing, you can see Mahatma Gandhi, Vinoba Bhave and Jai Prakash Narayan put forth the idea of partyless democracy. Children, you know partyless democracy. Partyless democracy, it was, this concept was put forth by M.N. Roy. He was from Communist Party, and here partyless democracy, actually this was also favored by, or this was also you can say proposed by Mahatma Gandhi and Vinoba Bhave. You know Acharya Vinoba Bhave. He was a person, individual satyagraha was done by this great leader. So but in our country partyless democracy was not work out, because it was very problem. First of all, our jo mindset of people of our country, it is not rational. We need to have rational, broad-minded people. High level of literacy rate should be there. So unless all these things are not achieved, we cannot think about partyless democracy. Understood? So these are the things you are supposed to think. Just think, give a think, or think and सोचो कि ये सब चीज़ें क्या है. अगर पार्टीलेस डेमोक्रेसी आ गई, अगर पार्टीलेस डेमोक्रेसी को हम अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं तो कैसा होगा. तो ये सब सोचने वाली चीज़ें हैं. जो भी ब्रैकेट में दिया है, जो भी ब्लू ब्रैकेट, येलो ब्रैकेट और ग्रीन उसमें बॉक्स में दिया है, यू आर सपोज टू थिंक अबाउट इट, हैव अ थॉट एंड ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट इट. अंडरस्टूड? सोचो ये कि अगर ऐसा होता तो क्या होता. वैसे भी आप लोग को पॉलिटिक्स में तो बहुत इंटरेस्ट है ना. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल सी चेंजिंग नेचर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिस्टम इन इंडिया. Children, political parties which was set up, political party which was set up before independence, their ideology or their motive was something different. Understood? And now present political party, their ideology is different. Now first we will see the Congress was a strong political party in the post-independence period. Congress had a majority as center and in most states. Indian politics was controlled by the Congress party. This era was described as era of single dominant party system. Children, before independence, when Indian National Congress was formed, that time the main aim was to achieve freedom. Understood? That time the motive was different. But now various political parties, their agenda, their motive is different. That time only the Congress party was a single party, and that era was of Congress party. But now we can see so many political parties are there, and so many political parties, they are working in various states, various region also. And some important political parties are also there working in the union level. So different political parties are there in our country. But before independence it was different. Only one political party or one or two political parties were there. Understood? Second, the non-Congress parties came together and challenged single dominant party system in 1977. So 1977, when Mrs. Indira Gandhi was there in power, so that time Congress party was there, but to challenge Congress party, various political parties, they came into establish. Understood? So after 1989 Lok Sabha election, the system of one party emerging as dominant party came into end. Since then, different parties began to come together to form coalition governments. Both the Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress party made an experiment of establishing coalition governments. The belief that coalition government brings instability was proved wrong by political party system in our country. In fact, coalition government system has stabilized in India. Children, during the year 1988, when Vajpayee government was there, understood? When Vajpayee government was there, when BJP government was there, that time coalition government was there. Coalition government means when party system, there was the support system of a ruling party is when the ruling party is not supported by opposition party. So that time it is very difficult to get the confidence motion. Understood? So Vajpayee government 1989, with the help of all AIDMK, it is a very important party in southern part of our country, Tamil Nadu. Understood? So that time this party they gave support to Vajpayee government, but after some time they withdraw. Understood? But Vajpayee government or BJP government, they emerged as a single largest party, coalition government. Understood? So it was not, though it was not supported by various other political parties, but after this party system was not established, means AIDMK and BJP government, both they were not able to form the government in south, but since in union government BJP they formed their government. Understood? So that was that time Vajpayee got maximum vote, and apart from Congress party, BJP government wins the election. So that time the major change was there, that since so many years Congress party it was ruling, but after this election 1988 election, BJP government emerged as a winner. Understood? So we can see there was so many changes in political system. Though before 70s, before 80s, Congress party was the only single largest party which was ruling maximum state, in the maximum state. Understood? Not in all the states. But after 1988 we saw so many changes. BJP government was a winner. Understood? So BJP political party as a political party is emerged as a winner. So we can see the changes was there. Apart from Congress party, another political party came as a winner.